ready for action. Nip it in the bud, we never relaxing. Outcast is everlasting, not clashing, not at all. But see, my want to do a little acting. Now that's for anyone asking. Give me one and pass 'em. Drip, drip, drop, there goes an orgasm. Now you coming out the side of your face, we tapping right into your memory banks. Thanks. So click at the ticket, let's see your seatbelt fasten. Trunk rattling like two midgets in the back seat wrestling. Speaker box vibrate the tag, make it sound like aluminum cans in a bag. But I know y'all wanted that 808. Can you feel that BASS bass? But I know y'all wanted that 808. Can you feel that BASS bass?
I like the way you move. I like the way you move. Woo, I love the way you move. I love the way, I love the way, I love the way you move. I love the way you move. Woo, I love the way.
Can I touch you to see if you're real? 'Cause in nothing is something I feel. Can my heart take the strain? Or will it break down again? In your lips I sense the danger. And you've got the eyes of a stranger. Ever been sleeping for all these years? Is it magic that makes you appear?
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go, and maybe I'll find out a way to make it back someday, to want you, to guide you